I'm Christine Danchuk, and I am here in the garage where the CPP Super Chevy Week to Wicked, presented by Golden Star build, took place last week. Can you believe that they completed this whole car in about 5.5 days? It is absolutely stunning. This is the final project. And I just want to show off a little bit today too, some of the Danchuk pieces that we supplied them with. We have here the 55 Danchuk chrome grill. We have here the bumper, headlight with the bezels, and the taillight bezels. And then inside here we have an LT1 new gen with 455 horsepower, and it's a 6-speed manual. And then if we walk around this way over here, you will see some beautiful Danchuk side trim. And then you'll also notice this two-tone color, which is absolutely stunning. We have the gray and the red, which is really nice, because usually you will see the red and white, but this gray stands out really nice. I like that color. It's beautiful. And then back here we have the taillight housings and the rear bumper, of course, provided by Danchuk. And this is really neat too, how they included the interior in the trunk here. It's the plaid interior. And this is by TMI, which you can get through Danchuk too. So if we take a look inside here, they have the plaid that is on the seats. And I love this, I really like this plaid because it's just very clean, edgy look. And those seats look so comfortable, like you can seriously take this on a road trip and you can fall asleep in those seats. They're just so comfy. With me, Christian. Can you tell me your last name?
My name is Christian Arriero, and I work here at the MotorTrend Tech Center.
And he had the opportunity to put this car together in 6.5 days. That is amazing.
Yeah.
Tell me a little bit about this car.
So this car is a completely aftermarket body, and it was brought to us by Golden Star, and we actually placed this brand new body on a brand new frame that CPP provided us with all of their suspension parts on it. And Grand Dude actually provided the LT, and CPP actually got the 256 transmission, and that's the first time we've ever done a 6-speed transmission and a LT in a week-to-wicked build, and we've done about 24 of these. And it's always been an automatic transmission, or it's always been an LS, or a small block, or a big block. So this is actually the first time we've done a 6-speed and a LT in a car, which was pretty cool because I've never done one. I have done T56, but I think this is going to go really good with this build. And the way it sits with all the trim parts provided by Danchuk, the TMI interior and all that stuff, it just looks amazing, I think.
And then once you fired it up, how excited were you?
We're pretty excited. After all that long week of doing hard work and hearing the motor run, it's a very satisfying sound.
And what was your favorite part of this project, putting this car together?
My favorite part is always interacting with everyone here, because this tech center is only a couple guys in here, so it's actually fun to see a lot of people come in, as yourself, you know, coming in here and talking to everybody about all their parts, and I think that's the best part for me.
Well, thanks, Christian.
Yeah, thank you for providing all the stuff.
Yeah. And thanks everyone for watching, and it was so nice to show off the final product, and I hope you enjoyed it. And we'll talk to you soon. Bye.